What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. So I haven't made a video for like a week because I started a new job. I've just been flat out working like 10-hour days and just been waiting on parts. So I got this in the mail and I'm super excited about it, so I'll show you what it is. Ooh, you can tell by the name what it is. It's my new roll cage. So I think this video I'm going to be putting it in and showing you how that happens, I guess. So I just got a 4-point bolt in with double diagonals through the main hoop. So yeah, I'm going to get to unboxing it and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is it. As I said, double diagonal cross brace. I didn't end up getting like little eyelets at the back, so I'm just going to wrap it, which will be fine, save me a bit of money. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull it back apart and slide it into the car. Alright, so I just finished taking the sound deadening off all the corners where this cage is going to sit, all here. It was an absolute pain in the ass, but I'm just going to quickly paint them, wait for that to dry, and then I'll put the cage in. Alright guys, so it's a new day. I ran out of time the other day. It was like dark and just shit. So it's a new day and I ended up finishing painting the floors, so I can go ahead. All painted, so I'm going to go ahead and put the roll cage in. Hopefully it's not too windy out there. It is a pretty shitty day, but I'm going to do what I do and just make it work. So go ahead and I'm going to put the roll cage in, bolt it together, mark out the floors where I'm going to drill them, pull the cage out, clean up the holes, put it back in and bolt it in. So we're going to get to doing that. Alright, so cage is in the car. You can see, look good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the 10mm drill bit and drill a hole in each one, and every time I drill a hole I'm just going to drop a bolt through just so it stops it moving as much, and do all those. I've taken a tape measure, I've measured it and made sure it's all central to the car, so it's good to go. So I'm going to drill those holes and drop a bolt through and put the plates on the other side, and then yeah, let's fasten it down and then be in there for good. Don't know if you can notice this, but that hole is right under the bar, so I can't get it with a drill. So I think what I'm going to do is just take a Sharpie, draw a circle in there, and then I'll drill all the other holes, and then I guess I'm going to have to take the cage out, which I wanted to do in the first place, to just cover up the holes and make sure they don't rust, and then I'll have to drill those once the cage is out. So yeah, I'll get to drill in the rest of the holes, then I'll take the cage out. Alright, so what I've done is I'll just grab the plate from underneath, put it on top, put the bolts in, and then I'll be able to drill this and get the perfect hole location. So I'm going to drill this side and do the same over there, and then once I've done that I can paint the holes and make sure they're so they won't rust. Then the cage can go back in for good. The cage is in, all done, all bolted up, fits pretty good. Wouldn't say it's perfect, but for just a 4-point bolt in, I'm pretty happy with it. So I think this is obviously the harness bar. You can buy these eyelets in either side, but I think they're like $80 a side, so it was $160, which I didn't really want to pay when I could just wrap the harnesses and have the same effect. So I went with that option. Yeah, it's done. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully it wasn't too short, and hopefully it was just like informative on how to put a roll cage in. It's pretty straightforward, comes with instructions and everything, so it wasn't hard. Yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully have another one maybe through the week, next week, I don't know. Still waiting for parts to come in the mail. I had to order a new sump because the one that I have now doesn't fit with the left-hand starter kit that I brought, which is another thing that I just got. So once I get that, then I can pull the left-hand starter on, the new sump, put the clutch on, put the engine in the car, and just everything. So that's coming real soon. So pretty excited about that, and hopefully you guys are too. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Peace.